Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. This is a last minute Halloween look. I am Queen Khaleesi from the Game of Thrones. Y'all, when I tell y'all this is so last minute, this is super last minute today. Today is the 30th of October and I edited and filmed this today. Today. Halloween is tomorrow. I'm super late with my Halloween look. I'm so sorry that I'm creating this content like super late, but this is something new. I hope you all enjoy. Like I only watched like one season of the Game of Thrones, and after that season I was mad. That was like season 1 where everybody was dying. That was good. Yeah, so this is my look for today. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment in the comment box. All my products that I used today in this video will be linked below in the description box. I promise, like for real. And thank you for tuning in. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay? So first the first thing I'm gonna use for my face is the Daily Hydration by Eucerin. I'm gonna moisturize my face with this. My brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. And I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. I'm going to brush out my brows with like this little spoolie. And I'm going to just start filling in. Like her makeup was like really light. So y'all, I'm not going to like just fill in my brows just like very dark. But I'm just going to like fill them in to where it's like filled in, but not just too filled in, if you get what I'm saying. Like, it's gonna be natural. I'm gonna do this brow just like I did this brow. I'm just gonna fill it in very lightly. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going back in with my Tarte concealer and I'm just gonna prep my eye. My eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with my Curly Bible palette. Like this giant is like beat the fuck up. But I'm gonna be using this shade for my transition color just to start off. For this look, I'm not gonna just do like really heavy makeup because Queen Khaleesi, her makeup wasn't like as like dark. She just had a very natural look. So I'm literally only gonna use like probably 3 shades of eyeshadow and like I'm not gonna contour it as much. I'm gonna use this shade on my lid and I'm gonna kind of like blend it in into my crease as I go. Now that that is done, I'm gonna put like a little bit more primer on my face for my foundation, so my foundation can last and look flawless. So yeah. Now for my foundation, I'm gonna be taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Warm Honey. I'm gonna be taking like my little complexion brush and I'm gonna apply my foundation onto my face like this. Like I said, Khaleesi didn't like wear as much like heavy makeup. Her makeup was like real natural and light, so I'm not gonna even like apply that much foundation to my face. I'm just gonna like apply like literally the bare minimum of foundation. With the foundation, I'm gonna go back in with my concealer again, and I'm gonna be using what am I saying? I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Morphe Beauty Blender, and I'm gonna blend this out. Now for my setting powder, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set my concealer. Now with my Flawless e.l.f. face brush, I'm just going to brush off my powder. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder in the color Golden Almond. In the color Golden Almond. And I'm literally just gonna set up where I just set my loose translucent powder, so I just won't like have any flashback, and so I can like look even tone. Now for contour, I'm going in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set with some setting spray so my foundation and stuff and contour can just like set in and like all even tone. I don't know, that's just my personal preference. I like doing like before I just like apply like mascara and everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and alright. A Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna use these two colors to contour my nose, this shade and this shade to contour my nose. I'm also gonna apply these two shades like underneath on my lower lash line to complete like the full eye look, to like dissolve any like harsh lines on my nose. I'm just gonna go back in with my beauty blender and I'm just gonna like kind of blend out any like harsh lines. Now for my mascara, I'm gonna be using the Marc Jacobs Black Mascara. So I'm going in with my NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the color light brown. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the Jordana Rock and Rose lip liner, and I'm just gonna like kind of like put that in the middle of where of my lip. This is my finished look for the Game of Thrones. I know my hair wasn't as long as hers, but like this is like so last minute, y'all, like so last minute. So I threw some together, and yeah, this is what I came up with. Products that I used in this video will be linked below in the description box. And yeah, this is my finished look. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.